YouTube, bro. As y'all can see, bro, y'all already see I got 3 big Temu packages in my hand, unopened. I have no idea what they are, bro, but I do know one thing. Stay tuned for the end of the video because I got a surprise, and I'm pretty sure it's this package for one of my lucky subscribers. It is a free camera to help y'all start y'all YouTube journey, so stay tuned for the end of the video. I have no idea what is in these Temu packages. We're gonna unbox them. I'm also gonna leave a discount code in the description so y'all could get a percentage off of y'all order. Without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing and let's see what we got today. See what we finna put together. Alright y'all, little ad break. As y'all can see, if you use the discount code in the description, y'all could get a $100 coupon code to use on Temu. All the links of every single item that I bought are in the description, and if you are a new Temu app user and you've never shopped on Temu before, you could literally get any one of these items that you want, that you like in this video for just $1. Using this discount code right here, all the links will be in the description. Y'all enjoy the video. See what we got. See what we got. Okay, hold on. I think this is a rug. Hold on, y'all. This might be tough. Oh, y'all. Hold on. Yes, bro. I've been trying to get some more rugs for my room, bro. This is the first item that Temu has sent. God, this is tough. I'm not gonna lie. This is tough. I'm literally going to place this right here. So, this is where I have it placed at right here. I also have another one right there. PC set up right there, and now I think the rest of these are all closed. You can find some fire pieces on Temu. If y'all want to shop on a budget, because I know I do post a lot of designer and stuff, use the discount code and y'all can get y'all some drip on Temu. This might be some shorts because it is kind of small. Never mind, it's a shirt. Ooh, the quality is not bad. It's low-key tough. Yo, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. This is low-key tough. So far, we are starting off good, bro. This is a tough tee. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The next piece we do have, I think this is some shorts. Ooh, hold on. These low-key match. Hold on. I don't know. I'm telling y'all, Temu has drip, bro. Y'all just want to be on some like, look at this. Bro, let me show y'all the quality. The quality is not bad. Look at the quality. Look at the, bro. Alright, in the comments, 1 through 10. Bro, this is not bad. For the third piece. Okay, these are shorts, but I have no idea what these are. They are looking kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of colors going on right here. Alright, these is tough. Yo, these low-key remind me of like Erica Mingo shorts. Hold on, are these swim trunks? Okay, these are regular shorts. But the quality is there. They're not see-through or anything. What y'all think? I don't know. It's a lot of colors going on. What would y'all put on with these? I'm not gonna lie. What would y'all put on? On to the fourth piece. This seems to be a shirt. Ooh, alright, y'all. So it is a shirt. This is tough. That's tough. Would y'all rock this? This is a tough tee, bro. Hold on. I think I already got a fit in my mind. Yo, that's tough, chat. This seems kind of big. I'm not gonna lie. Might be a 2-piece set. I see some shorts. Okay, calm. So these are the shorts. Oh, y'all see, these are the shorts that came with them. Not bad. Then we got the shirt. This is more like a sports. This is like more a sports shirt. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all ever felt like an Under Armour shirt? That's what this feels like. So this is the shirt. I feel like this is like a beach fit. Y'all let me know if this is a beach fit. I think this is a beach fit. I'm not gonna lie, just off of the quality. And these shorts do low-key feel like swimming trunks. These ones feel like swimming trunks. The other ones felt like regular shorts. Package, I don't know. I just destroyed it. Alright, some more shorts. Okay, these are tough. What y'all think? These are tough. These are a size medium. These are tough. Those are valid. Let me know if y'all want to try on haul in a second video. Because at the end, like I said, I'm going to pick my favorite pieces and I'm going to create a fit and show y'all the fit. Oh, no. This is a shirt. Oh, yeah. That's tough. Chase a bag. This is tough. That's tough. And I do like black tees. I like black tees more than anything. Which y'all prefer? Black tees or white tees? I'm telling y'all, black tees are better. Now we are on to the second Temu package. I think this is another 2-piece. Hold on, this is like a 5-piece. Alright, So these are the gray short. Yo, these kind of, I don't know. These kind of a little too small. What y'all think? So they sent 3 of these. So these are the gray ones. These are the charcoal gray ones. All right, these are more like it. And these are the black ones. Okay, so it looks like Temu sent me some shoes. Alright, so I don't know. I don't know how to feel about these. They low-key do look like a designer shoe, but I don't know how to feel about these. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's the front, it's the back. I do mess with the laces though. They're not a bad shoe. They're pretty decent for a Temu shoe. These are they look like a designer shoe. Would y'all rock these? Okay, so I'm not about to put this beanie on y'all because it says that girl. This is what the beanie looks like. If I have any girl subscribers, I'm pretty sure I do. Go get y'all the coupon code in the description and y'all could be that girl. Yes, sir. Hold on. If y'all been on TikTok, y'all know these slides, the puffer slides. These are tough. We got the bubble coat slides. These are tough. Hold on. Oh, y'all see? Oh my God. Oh, these are tough. Come on, I can't be the only one that's about to get these a 10. I feel like so far this is the best item we got. 10 out of 10 product. I will leave the link in the description, and they don't feel bad either. They feel good. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for. For my subscribers, if y'all want to start y'all YouTube journey, this is what the camera looks like. I'm not gonna take it out of the box. All you have to do, follow the giveaway rules in the description, and I will be picking a winner the day school starts so that y'all can have y'all camera with y'all for back to school and start y'all some back to school content. It says full 1080 HP 1920 x 1080 recording, which is the YouTube format. Hold on, let me turn it this way so y'all can see. Oh, okay, it's the same thing, it don't matter. And then it says it has stabilization. So stabilization, bro, is like if you're moving the camera a lot, it will try its best to make it look as still as possible. This is the camera, bro. All you have to do is follow the giveaway steps in the description, and I will be sending this out to one of y'all so that y'all can start y'all YouTube journey. Y'all can literally make similar videos to me. Know y'all want to be Quan. Y'all know y'all like DDG. This is for y'all. I love y'all. Y'all been supporting me. So, like I said, follow the giveaway steps in the description so y'all can win this camera. I hope whoever I give this camera away to, I want y'all to send me y'all YouTube, and I want y'all to send me y'all first video. Also, I will give y'all a free thumbnail for y'all first video. If y'all want to pick up any of these products that y'all seen in this video today, all of the links will be in the description. Make sure you use the discount code to get some money off so that you can save some money on your order. Because who doesn't like saving money, bro? Come on. Who doesn't like saving money, bro? Save your money. I'm giving y'all free sauce right now. I love y'all boys. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm finna be dropping bangers. Appreciate everybody that voted on the poll for how much videos y'all want to see. So I will be posting 3 videos every week starting from now.